Hello, I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione. I hope you're having a good Thanksgiving weekend. Let's get you right to the forecast. Here are some headlines for the soaker that we are expecting tonight into Sunday morning. The heaviest of the rain will likely fall after 11 p.m. into 8 a.m. on Sunday. Now, it doesn't mean we can get a few showers before or after that time frame. I'm simply stating that this is likely when the heaviest of the rain will fall. How much are we talking? Well, I appreciate the question. We're looking at about a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain with wind gusts between 30 and 45 miles an hour possible. Generally, that's not strong enough to create a whole lot of power outages or down trees and things like that, but you could get a few power outages and down trees along the south coast. That's where I'm expecting the wind gusts to be the strongest. So that's something to keep an eye on. At the time that I'm recording this video on Saturday evening, no wind advisories have actually been posted for our viewing area. All right, here we go. So the timing has been pretty consistent with the rain. It falls heavy at times overnight. You can see the downpours and showers tapering off by Sunday morning. If you have a friend or relative, family in town that's planning on hitting the road tomorrow morning, you may have them hold off until the later part of the morning. That's when the showers will start to taper off. And generally, it'll be a mostly rain-free Sunday afternoon with some clouds lingering. All right, rainfall-wise, like I said before, about half an inch to an inch and a half of rain possible. Of course, in these situations when we have a healthy tap of moisture, you can always have some overachievers, especially if some of these downpours set up over one area for an extended period of time. And the same holds true for Rainmaker number 2. That one arrives on Monday, continues Monday night to early Tuesday morning. So you can see when we add everything up, there could be some locations that get over 2 inches of rain. So that's why we'll have to keep a close eye on the rivers and streams, especially the Patuxent River in Cranston, where some minor flooding is possible. Remember, river flooding is additive. So each time you add a rainstorm in a short amount of time, that can kind of keep elevating those river levels over the long term. Looking at our wind gusts tonight, at first they don't start all that strong, but notice early Sunday morning, gusts between 36, even 40 miles an hour possible along the south coast. And you could still get some stiff breezes into Sunday afternoon. So you could see around 22 miles an hour Providence, 22 in Smithfield. So even though I'm not expecting wind damage for inland spots, the winds will be brisk enough to make it feel kind of cool despite the 40-degree temperatures, which we'll show you in just a second. Hey, if you're traveling by air tomorrow, looking pretty good up and down the East Coast at the airports by Sunday afternoon. But notice Chicago, there's actually a winter storm warning in effect on Sunday. So if you're flying into an airport like O'Hare, probably a good time to maybe call ahead and make sure everything is on time. Now, how about this? These are temperatures as of Saturday evening. Notice that 33 in West Greenwich. We'll have to keep an eye on this because even though we are expecting rain and not snow and not a wintry mix, if some of these road temperatures stay right at freezing or even below freezing, or some of the surfaces do, even if air temperatures get a few degrees warmer than the roads, you could still get a little bit of an icy coating on some of those roads, especially in places like western Rhode Island out there towards West Greenwich, which is the temperature I just showed you. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you take it easy tonight and have a good weekend. We'll see ya.